Obviously, we are very pleased with the result. Now we can get on to the business of deciding the fate of these three men who committed this crime. Finally, we can get down to the business of the victim impact statements and talking about what actually happened that night rather than having the case buried down or bogged down in legal procedures. With respect to the decision, haven't had a chance to read it thoroughly yet, but we are very pleased. It appears that the court agreed with the Crown on most of the main legal points, meaning that the ceiling was never 18 months, it was 30 months, and that this case would come in under the transition exception that the Supreme Court spelled out in the case of Jordan.
My answer to the public would have been, had we been successful today, would have been, we have rules. We are a society that has legal rules, and they have to be followed. We don't get to have shortcuts. We don't get to cut out somebody's rights because it's a murder charge as opposed to a speeding ticket. These rules apply to everybody. It's what separates our society, Canadian society, from other parts of this in the world and their justice systems, where people like Nelson Mandela will sit in a jail cell for 20 years because they don't have any rights. Here we have rules, and we have hard and fast rules that have to be complied with. If we don't comply with these rules, then we have anarchy.